Hello, respected viewers. My channel has been monetized within 2 days during lockdown. So I want to thanks to everyone for support me and help me to grow my channel. And I want to share my monetization experience with everyone. There are 3 steps for monetization process. First step, 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hour last 12 months. And second step, need to create the Google AdSense account. And third step, to review. That's the part of YouTube. They will going to review your channel. They will check main 5 point. First point, main theme, like my channel, DIY and craft videos. And second point, most viewed video. And third point, newest video. And fourth point, biggest portion of public watch hour. And fifth point, video metadata, including title, thumbnail and description. If all 5 points are fine, they will send you congratulation email as soon as possible, like my case with 2 days. I applied 20th April 2020 and they will send me a congratulation email 22 April. And I enabled ad on my channel 24th April. This is my monetization story. Keep supporting me, keep watching my videos and suggest me new topic for DIY and craft. And thank you so much. Bye bye.